first tool here is the transform pattern tool, accessed by pressing A on the keyboard. It simply lets you select any pattern or line or anything you create inside the 2D window and access its properties. You can hold down shift to select multiple patterns, drag from an empty space to box select, or double click for lasso select. After selecting a pattern, you can move it by dragging, and if you hold down shift, it'll snap to a fixed axis. And if you right click while moving it in a direction, you can specify exactly how much to displace it in that direction from its last position. Pressing escape while moving something will cancel the operation and it'll pop right back into its original place. You can use the dots on the dotted box that appears to scale the patterns. If you scale from any of the corner points, it'll use the opposite point as the pivot while scaling. You can double click on the center dot to activate it as the pivot point, which can be moved anywhere and also snaps to the points and edges of your pattern, even internal lines. In the same way, if you right click while scaling a pattern, a dialog box will appear where you can put in your measurements in terms of percentage or units, and you can decide whether to lock in the ratio or scale it freely in either axis. To rotate a pattern, you can use this little dot over here, which by default rotates from the center of the pattern, but you can double click on the pivot point to activate it and set it anywhere you want. Same with the other transformations, you can right click to specify how many degrees you want to rotate it by. If you need more precision, you can also right click on a pattern and head to the rotate and flip submenus where you'll find some really handy tools.